So, hello guys! I'm back again. I'm doing unbox again for my early, this is early Christmas present. Because, in the Philippines, this month, its bear time is Christmas time. So, I received my early Christmas gift. Of course, coming from my Santa. Coming from my Santa. Okay. So I will show you and yes, I'm excited. Now I will show you what's my early Christmas gift that I received from Santa. So okay. Ta-dang! Ching, 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 ching. This is the latest and the newest release. This is, I think, 2 weeks ago, they released this product. So it's time to change my Apple Watch. Because my Apple Watch is old. So I need to throw it away. No, it's not throw it away. So, unboxing. I will show you. Open up. That's one. That one. One. This is Apple Watch. Apple Watch. I don't know this one. Apple Watch. Oh, this is Apple Watch Series 6. Series 6 Apple Watch. Gold stainless. So this is gold stainless in the just like this. And because this one is I don't know what's this, but it's gold stainless. And the case is gold stainless steel case, and then the color of the sport bands just like this is Cyprus green sport band. It's 40 mm the size of the, I think they expand it because this now they expand it. Yeah, look guys, look. Ooh, this is all the, style of the Apple Watch. Ganda ng ano nila guys, ganda ng box nila pag unbox. So, pag yan. So that one. I didn't. Ngayon ko pa lang to nakita guys. I don't know what's that, but I will show you. Ay, kuan talaga, grabe sealed. What's this? I think this is the Apple sticker, Apple Watch sticker, or Apple Watch how to use it. There is watch space. Makikita nyo to sa cellphone nyo because my Apple Watch is gonna be connect to my Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. Mag-connect to silang dalawa guys kasi pwede kayong magko-call sa Apple Watch nyo. Yeah, ito yung mga digital crown, side button. Yan, ito yung what's the Apple Watch Series 6 it's. So, this is the charger of the Apple Watch. Iba kasi yung ano nila charger guys. It's a plate, parang circle ba. Katulad sa old one ko, ganito din ang charger. Yung parang ganun ba. Igaganon mo lang kasi naka ano lang yun. Madikit lang yan, parang ganun. Yan. So ito yung charger niya guys. I know maybe some of you guys you have already this. I don't know because it's just released about 2 weeks ago. But maybe some other people have already this. So I'm gonna show. I'm not bragging anybody. I just only for the blog. you know, for the vlog, guys. I-ano natin, i, i, so this is my Apple Watch. For the vlog lang, guys. Vlog, you know. Maybe some Apple outdoors. So my unboxing, so they gonna give it some Apple Watch for me. So, yes, this is the Apple Watch. This is, guys, parang ano lang, hindi kasi na-open pa kasi wala pang ano. So, my husband gonna be connect this one. So, ito lang kasi ito yung old ko, guys. So, parang medyo malaki-laki yung size sa this is my old and this is the new one. So, ewan ko, parang konting a little ano lang, guys, a little size, expand size, because this one is 40 mm. That one. And then I think this is the band, yung pang ano dito. I think this naka-sealed talaga siya, guys. Daming mga ano eh. So ito na naman, oh. Okay, they have two like this, two. Dalawa siyang nakalagay. Ito siya. Kasi dalawa siya, parang ganon, kasi i-ano mo siya, gusto mong o malaki yung ano mo, rest mo, so ito ang ilalagay mo. But if you're smaller, so ito ang ilalagay mo dito. So if you're bigger rest, so ito yung i-ganon mo. But if you're smaller rest, ito lang, kasi nakaano yan siya, guys, i-ganon mo yan siya. I don't know how to put it. My husband gonna, you know, just like that. Pwede nyo din, kasi maraming, kung ayaw nyo dito, I think it's just a rubber. It's a rubber. Tapos, gusto mo yung mga colorful na mga, ano, band, pwede kang bumili kasi meron silang maraming ano papagpipilian na mga ano, gusto mo yung colorful, maybe next time if gusto ko yung mga colorful, bibili ako ng colorful na pang ano dito. So this is the one, guys, the smaller one, because this one is the longer. If you're big rest, so this is the one, but I just, you know, medium, so I just put like this. This is, I don't know, it's a dark green. Yeah, it says crystal something green. Yeah, this one, it's for me, I have a hard time to put because you need to clip, you know, you need to, this one parang sa damit. Kasi yung isa parang dikit-dikit lang siya, guys, pero ito iganon mo talaga. Parang bakikaw, pero kailangan mong itaod. Yan siya. Yan, tapos i-ano mo lang dito, ganon. Yeah, that's it. So this is my new Apple Watch Series 6, guys. So this is early Christmas gifts from Santa. Ganda, guys, no? What do you think, guys? Nice siya, no? So yeah, this is it. Pansit. So
you need to put in a passcode.
it's done pairing my Apple Watch to my phone. So now I will show you all the face gallery of the Apple Watch. So this is the one. This one, guys, I already used this one before, mga Mickey Mouse. I'm tired with that. So this is Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Look, that one. See? The matandang Minnie Mouse, matandang Mickey Mouse at the Minnie Mouse. I already used that one. And modular. This modular, guys. This is the one, the modular. So some of this one I use is this one. Look, this is the modular. Just wait. Need kasi ng ano, guys, eh. So this is the modular type of the the face of the watch. This one. So this is my, you can choose the color or anong gusto nyo na color na ilagay. So right now I will scroll, I will find nice face watch. So this is, meron siyang modular na compact. Ito, kung gusto mo yan, parang nasa car ba yan? Parang ganito na merong maliit, merong malaki. So, and if you want to scroll again, the motion, ito, yung motion, guys, na pag i-ano mo, mag-move, yung ganun. Yung numerals naman, ito yung mga, ito ay hindi ako marunong tumingin ng oras sa mga ganyan, guys. O walang mga ano. Ganyan lang yung mga, ito lang ang umiikot. Para. So, ito naman yung numero 2, yung itong mamalaking style na ano. If you want like that, so you can choose, you can put on your phone. This one. If you click, mag-change yan. Nakaano lang kasi yan eh. Yan, mag-change yan. Or ito ba gusto nyo, itong mga malalaki. Hindi rin ako marunong tumingin ng mga ganyang oras. There is a parang ganon. Hindi rin ako marunong tumingin ng oras sa mga ganyan, guys. Sorry. Ito marami, guys. Maraming pagpipilian. Marami. Parang na-upgrade na nila sa Series 6. Ito gusto mo, yung asan ka, Hong Kong, or nasa, ano ka, Amerika, yan. Pwede din yung lagyan mo yung picture, pero yung sarili mong mukha ilagay dito, guys. Pero parang pangit na tingnan kasi mas stretch out yung mukha mo, parang ganun na. So, ayoko yung mga ganyan, picture sa mukha. Gusto mo yung ganito, typograph, parang ganun. Tapos yung utility, nakagamit ako ng ganito dati. Parang wala lang din. Meron ding ganito, yung mga bipor-bipor daw, yung ganan. Yung mga ganan lang, guys, gustuhon mo. Mga kingkoy-kingkoy, Toy Story. Yan, mga ganyan lang. At gusto mo din yung ano, yung mga color-color sa mga gilid-gilid, yung style-style mo yan, guys. Ewan ko. Pag meron kayong ganito, ito yung maganda kung halimbawa lalaki ka, tapos mahilig ka sa ano, itong GMT, parang ano ba? Anong pangalan nito, Jimbo? What's this, Jimbo? This one?
What? That looks like a Rolex watch.
Yeah, Rolex watch. Ito yung ilagay mo sa ano mo, yun know, Rolex. Naka-Rolex ka na Apple Watch plus Rolex. Yung mga ganyan. Ako, simple lang, guys. Ito lang talaga. Yung ganyan. Kung saan ka ngayon, I'm here in Portland, Oregon. So, merong Portland, Oregon nakalagay. At saka yung ano niya, yung temperature niya sa ano. Tapos, update siya about sa health mo. Itong relo, yung watch na to. Tsaka nilagyan ko rin ng ano, yung nilagyan ko rin ng battery power para ba maano, para ito na kasi yung ano, kung yes, ganyan lang. So yeah, this is my Apple. Yes, it's already done. It's already connecting. One thing why I like Apple Watch, because if I am driving, because if I am driving, guys, before hindi kami magkaintindihan sa GPS. Minsan masaylo, minsan you can miss the exit. So if you miss the exit, you can drive and turning around, and then sometimes you don't know, especially if you're first time on that address, on that route. So now, since I have an Apple Watch, even this one, the old one, since I have Apple Watch and then connected to my phone, so of course, if you the address and then connect to your phone, so ang phone also mo connect din. So if the car running, if you're closer to the exit, the Apple Watch is vibrating that it's time to you to connect. It's time to you to exit, or it's time to you to uh, turn around or U-turn, blah blah blah, like that. They're warning you before it's gonna be exit, so you're not miss the route. You'll not miss the exit. So yes. So even it's your first time on that route, on that address, you're not missing the address because of your Apple Watch. This is good for like GPS, like if you're driving. So yeah, so that's why I like Apple Watch. Yes, guys. So it's all done. It's all connects. It's ready to go. So thank you for watching, and yes, and then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want to, and hit the notification button. Bye bye, everybody. See you next time.